Hello, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we've got a Samsung UHD 58-inch TV. So that's the old one, 49-inch Samsung. That's a curved one, we got that quite a while ago. This one is not curved one because I don't do them anymore. So yeah, we're going to unbox it. Get the knife. Just going to break the screen already. That's that undone. Right, tape. You're going to have to help me lift it out, I think.
Yeah, okay. 1 minute.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
So it comes with some feet, which is obvious. 2 feet. Get them over there. Comes with all kinds of
That's
stuff.
another foot. Whoa, it's gonna slip. Got it.
There's the TV.
Jesus.
Wait,
Should we lay it on the floor?
it needs to be on its face though, doesn't it?
Yeah, I didn't.
So put it on the box. The cat. Put it down like that. Oh. Right, so how do we do this? Me, the cats are well annoying, go away. Oh, I think these just drop in. I do not know.
Minx?
Get off! Look at the cat. So this TV cost, what was it,
£629.
£629. So, bit pricey, not too bad. What do these do then?
I might say the same of you.
It's hard to know what to do for the best. You don't want to hurt people, but
Do they go in a certain way?
Exactly.
No idea. Yeah, they've got to go like that, yeah.
Sorry, that just slipped out.
Are you talking about Tony?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure.
How do they go in?
Did you get settled on him?
I had, I think.
I
Now
don't
I seem to
understand.
have unsettled.
How?
I don't know. Jump. I
Goodness, I haven't
Do you have to
said
push
that
him in or?
before.
could try. 1 minute.
Turns out we've got a left and a right. So that just clips in like that.
You open if you support me.
Are we talking about Miss Bunting or your move to America?
I'm not sure. Either or both.
Well, you're asking a lot. I'm not very keen on Miss Bunting.
There we go. So,
We're going to move the other one off.
feet on. I'm going to take this one off out now. It's only got one HDMI anyway in it.
Which one?
This TV. The other
Oh,
one
that we're using.
isn't that one that's in.
Yeah. I'm going to go check the pizzas.
Take it with you.
Oh,
Good.
no, it's juicy. They are ready. Oh my god, Minx, get off.
Go for TV. Go! Right, so. Might need to lift with this now, won't I?
Okay,
Oh,
wait a minute.
actually, we're good.
Jesus Christ. I don't even know if that's going to fit.
Help me then.
Help, yeah. Bloody hell, what do you want me to do? You want me to... Oh no. Oh.
You're gonna have to help.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Get out.
Out. Come on, baby.
Let's budge it. So inside you get, looks like you get, why do you get 2 remotes?
No
Get
idea.
this remote and this remote. Obviously charger, not charger, power cable, standard remote. Don't know what that is. Batteries for the remote. Now this is a bit confusing. Why is there another remote?
Is that the smart one?
Looks like it. I'm not too sure what that is yet. We'll find out though. So we're gonna go ahead.
Because it
remote.
like you can click, like it takes you straight to Netflix and stuff. It's like, I think
That
you
does
set it
that.
up with like an app or something.
Oh.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, that does the same. So, get this plugged in. This is the back of it. You obviously get your USB. I think you get 3 HDMI's. Whatever that is. I think that's the satellite one. Don't know what common interface is. There's your Ethernet, everything. So yeah, let's get it on the makeshift TV stand. Ready?
You need to bring it forward.
So, we go again. The last one we got comes smashed, so we're going to check the box. Box is alright, both sides. Looks alright. No damages, just for future reference. If this comes smashed again, I'm going to give up. And it's going to go back. And I'm not having a TV. So, let's open it, shall we? Attempt to. Go. Let's get her out. Gosh. There's a nice little bracket. TV and remote and that. Again, we've been through this all before, as you will see in the previous clips. But it's literally 3 days later. Was it? How long ago was it?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, and now we're on Sunday. Shocking that, innit? And as you saw in the previous video, I cut the box up, so I had to piece it together with sellotape. Like, really? Yeah, both of it. We'll just rest it on the box. I'm not putting the screen on anything. As you can see, we've not put the screen on, nothing. We've not even took the wrapper off yet. We'll put the feet on. Which one's that?
No, I'll just give it a go. It's the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, so we've not touched the screen. But this one.
Yeah, I think so.
Off. I've also had to make a new top for my Unix. It's too big for it. So let's hope this one fits. Looks alright. I can't see no damages yet. Careful, I don't make it spring.
What is that?
I don't really know. Yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, let's lift it down. It should be sound, there's not a stupid cat stood on the cat's tail. Yeah?
Just straighten this.
Right. So there. We have the new TV. So that's a 58-inch Samsung TV. There's all the details. If you want to get one yourself, it was about 629, was it?
Yeah.
629. Pretty nice. So we're going to go and turn it on now, and hopefully we have no cracks like the previous one. So yeah, I'm going to get it all plugged in and I'll be back. So now we're going to turn it on.
Right. Fingers crossed.
If this is smashed, I'm going to give up and I'm not going to have another one. I don't think it is. Come on.
Please, please, please.
Yes!
is.
Thank fuck for that.
Oh my
Last
God.
time it had a big crack running all the way up there.
Oh, thank God for that.
So now I can peel all this shit off. How'd you get it off? How'd you get this off?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that peel. Nice. So there's the new TV. Let's get it set up. Pretty nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Of course she does.
Looks like it's me.
No, not you. So yeah, let's get it all set up. This is the best bit. What? Yee. Ah. Fresh. And just like that, the box is in the skip.